Hey, I'm Steve Magnante here in Bogart, Georgia at the Tony Towney Collection, where on October 24th and 25th, 2025, a little over 100 collector cars will be auctioned by Richmond Auctions, many of them at no reserve. One of the top sellers, or one of the top vehicles, will be this 1931 Lincoln Model K dual cowl Phaeton. Beautiful restoration of one of these exclusive vehicles. And again, the dual cowl Phaeton involves a cowl here at the front for the driver and passenger, and a second cowl here for the back seat passengers, including its own windshield and wind slits, so that when you go down the road with the top down, you don't get bugs in your face as the back seat passengers. You can get 2 people up front, 3 in the back, and there's 2 jump seats in the front, so you have auxiliary seating for other people who want to ride along. Additions to this one here, factory options, are dual spare tires, side mount spares, and of course the legendary headlights. These are electric, no acetylene here, totally modern electric stuff. Dual horns, again electric horns. The beautiful Greyhound mascot, cribbed by Ford years later on a 34 Ford, but with that said, beautiful design, leaf springs all the way around. Mechanical brakes, but they're cable operated, they're tough, they get the job done. And in total, 3,556 Model Ks were built in 1931, which was the first year for the Model K, which lived on until 1940 in various forms. But again, 1931, first year for the Model K, as we see it here. This is the biggest, most expensive of the breed, the dual cowl Phaeton. Beautiful restoration, V12 power, bid accordingly. It's an American classic.